guys, Miss Creamon, and today I'm here with my friend. This is probably the first video with our actual faces in it. That might go on. What?
No.
I
didn't say anything.
Okay, so today we are playing Bee Swarm Simulator. And, I need to get my thing. Why is my pawn thing full? So, narwhale. Did I call you that earlier?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, narwhale is with me. Where is this? Wrong thing. Oh, wrong thing. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I have the.
Stop.
What? Oh yeah, I have a star baby bee. Gifted baby bee. Let me check.
This is not your first time playing this game.
I never said it was.
I know.
Honestly, what does that even do? Gifted hive bonus plus 20% hook. So pretty much he sucks. I'm sorry, he sucks, except for that hive bonus. So, what do I have in my group? I'm just gonna have to use these royal jellies, cause just this guy's not good.
How come
Bomber!
I got speed?
What?
I got super speed now.
You have boots on.
No. Like, I'm constantly getting 5 haste.
I have. Oh, you get what is?
Oh, I forgot.
What's your? I have the rake right now. I'm not buying anything in here. Wait, is there? Did I buy the bag? I'm just kidding. Not bad.
Wait, I forgot.
22,000 honey. Okay, so that is. I can buy that.
I forgot what.
Should I just? I think I'm gonna save up for this.
I mean, I definitely can afford a special bee.
Oh, so I need ingredients. What I don't like that they added into this game is that you need the ingredients also to get them.
Yeah, that's fine.
But it makes the game way harder. So,
But should do.
I'm just gonna collect.
The guy is still a good game creator.
Yeah, is it Honest?
Yeah, it's Honest.
Honest's not that bad of a creator.
He isn't bad of a creator.
I'm sure that guy up there is supposed to be like on it.
I think he is.
And on the back, there's actually a number code.
On the back?
On his bag.
Oh, on his bag?
Don't. No, look, you could come here.
Oh.
38217. Let's see, is that a code? I remember someone saying something about it. 38217. 5 tickets.
You know, really, it's not bad.
Hey, that's actually useful. Wanna know why? I only had 20 tickets. Wait. If we were able to get one of these bees, that'd be really good.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. These guys are so expensive. Literally, the cheapest thing is the gold egg, and I'm not buying it, even though it's really useful.
Not really.
No, it's really useful for a noob.
Oh, fair enough. The diamond egg is the best.
If I got the diamond egg somehow, I'd be happy. So, time to get rid of my honey. If this video is boring, sorry. I'm actually not really that used to having a camera with actually showing me. So, he's okay with him being in the video, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, as long as they're okay, I think it's fine. I just need to empty my bag. Sink tanking forever.
I'm gonna do quests.
What? Oh, yeah, quest. I'm gonna find ladybugs now.
Remember brought out
Search for strawberries.
I feel like I have a reason to have royal jellies, but I don't.
Yeah, I killed him. I like how they now make it so there's things that splatter on the floor instead of you automatically collecting it.
Yay. But it's already been 24 hours. Is it 20 hours or is it
24.
I mean, is it 24 or is it 4?
24.
He said 4 hours.
What? Oh. I thought that second ladybug was after me. Killed them all. I got a strawberry! Yes!
Yay!
What is this?
Should I try Mr. King Bee guy?
Okay, so I'm gonna talk. Oh, which one is quest? Oh, bamboo. Well, I'm stupid. How am I supposed to get this? Can we jump on heads? If you're able to jump on someone else's head, I'd do it. Get it.
Sure.
Wait, are we
Where?
able to?
I'll be nice enough to do that. Wait. I think I already got that one, actually.
I haven't.
Have I?
Wait, let's see. Can we jump on each other's heads?
Wait. Collision. There is no collision.
That means no. That sucks. Oh, I may as well collect the Cloverfield stuff for the variety fetcher.
I might as well do the ants.
I like doing the beetle battle though. Hey, Rat Bee leveled up!
Yay!
That's Rat! Wait, why did is this?
What?
I don't know. I'm yum.
Was it white? Like, was it?
What?
Like that?
Who cares about someone else getting a badge? I want badges.
Wait, who got a badge? Oh, that's what I want to get.
Yay! Now Mr. Creomon earned a badge. Oh, Baby Bee leveled up too.
The ant thing is fun. It's
Okay.
a bit too easy.
The what?
In the ant hill. I just find it a bit too easy in like the first 3 things.
What is this guy? Oh yeah, tickets.
There's a ticket right there. I think
3
I
tickets!
got it. I got it. I can remember that.
Oh no. He just gave me all that. Yay, he did. Okay, that just sounded weird. Why am I in there?
What does the baby bee do?
It's pretty much a weak bee, and then it gives you this thing called Baby Love. 2 times spawn, 50% blue luck. Woo! Woof! I'm collecting everything!
Okay. Oh. That's pandas. Wait,
So, this isn't that bad of a game, but the reason I don't play it much is
because, well, not much stuff happening.
it's not because of that. It's
No.
sort of because, like, there's a time limit. I have a time limit before it doesn't work on YouTube. It has to be under 15 minutes. But I may be able to do that sometime. So, this game is a game about bees. I think I made
made a video.
Yeah, I made a video on this before. And, I didn't do that good. Oh, and plus I made another video and it didn't work. Literally, it was corrupted.
Ew.
Too bad you can't go in first person. Usually I love to go first person.
Yeah, I do.
I'm getting the best vacuum. And I'm getting the best, pollen collector, which is the vacuum. You got the bronze amulet?
Yeah, and I have like the silver. I died early on.
Honestly, that's really good to me. Wait. Okay, I'm able to get this. Well, I have this backpack, don't I?
I'm just finding stuff I can buy that's useful.
See, now I could buy the best thing in the game of here. It's the vacuum.
The thing where you have to do nothing?
Yep, just click. No, yeah. I'm collecting everything.
I
This
got-
is actually a good bad thing.
Ooh!
I'm not collecting those. Ah! Don't kill me! No, I don't like ladybugs. Yay! Oh, you gave me a straw. Why am I getting strawberries from these guys?
Because...
As in, I'm getting a lot of them. Oh, there's a glitch. See? I'm not clicking. No hands. Automatic.
Weird.
It's a cool glitch I found.
Yoink.
Where does this... Okay, black bear. Should I try and buy a new... Nope, I can't.
I have no clue what I'm doing yet, right? That's plus.
I got a silver egg!
Silver egg? Yay! Wait,
Yes!
What am I trying to do for?
Oh, this is gonna be so useful.
Do you like beer that wants that?
What?
Is Mountain Meandering a class?
It's Hasty Bee! Hasty Bee. He's useful.
It's time to get rid of any like his.
You know, I'm gonna empty my bag. What if I got all of those?
No type. No type. No type.
Please no yelling. Well, I'm thinking... Should I get rid of a useless bee?
Get rid of the most useless. Like,
I think I don't... Wait. If you guys think this is a bad idea... Wait, where... do I even have a stubborn bee? I don't have one.
what is it that Ninja Bee likes? I forgot.
It might seem weird, but I want to get rid of my bomber.
So I have.
So, goodbye, bomber. I have Looker bee.
I have like 2 hours.
I got an even rarer from it.
I have 2.
Let's not quest.
I have 2 hours and 40 and.
Hasty bee is a rare. I think. Well, are these rares? Yeah, they're rares. Which one should I get rid of? Well, I don't think it's weird. I don't want rag bee.
I have a lot of time on my marshmallow piece.
Is he gonna transform? Oh, Riley bee. Not Riley. There's which one? Bucko. How much different? You've discovered 10 types of bees. Doesn't that mean I could use this? I have 6 bees, but I've discovered 10 types of bees. Hey, I could go over here and I don't even have 10 bees.
Yeah, that's a glitch. I don't know if it's intentional.
It's not. I don't think it's a glitch. Oh, stuff is expensive. Well, that'll be it for this video. Wait. That'll be it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. I wipe off that. For this next video, we don't know.
Role-playing.
We don't know. We're just thinking. We'll see you next time. I forgot to say goodbye.